Have you ever wondered how a raw potato turns crispy like fries? Or how milk becomes cheese? It's not magic, it's science. And it's happening right inside your kitchen. Today, we'll show you how science transforms your food in ways you never imagined. When you cook, you're doing chemistry. Heat changes the structure of food. Proteins in meat break down, becoming tender. Sugars in bread brown through a reaction called the Maillard reaction. That's why toast smells so good. Even boiling an egg is science. The heat causes the egg whites to go from clear to white. It's called denaturation, a big word, but it simply means the protein shape is changing. You're not just making food. You're running a science experiment. Ever had yogurt, cheese, or pickles? That's not just food, that's fermentation. Tiny living things called bacteria break down sugars in food. They create new flavors, textures, and even help preserve it. Milk becomes yogurt. Cabbage becomes kimchi. Dough becomes fluffy bread. Fermentation has been used for thousands of years, but now, science helps control it. We know which bacteria to use. We control the temperature and time. And we get better, tastier food. Science also helps food last longer. Ever seen food packed in vacuum-sealed bags? Or frozen meals that stay good for months? That's science fighting bacteria and mold. Freezing slows them down. Canning kills them with heat. Even adding salt or sugar creates an environment they hate. Food that once spoiled in a day can now last for weeks or months. All thanks to science. Science also changes how food looks and grows. Seedless watermelons, sweeter apples, corn that doesn't rot fast. They're made through plant breeding and genetic tweaks. It sounds scary, but it's been happening for decades. Not in a lab coat with lasers but on farms, by farmers using science. The food is safer, grows faster, and feeds more people. Especially in places where crops are hard to grow. The truth is, your kitchen is more like a lab than you think. You mix, heat, freeze, stir, you change solid to liquid. You turn batter into cake, oil into crispy fries. Even your senses taste, smell, texture, are part of the science. And every time you eat, you experience the result. So next time you cook, remember you're not just a chef. You're a food scientist. Food isn't just something we eat. It's something we transform using science, every day. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more science behind everyday life. And tell us and comment, what's your favorite food science trick?